Today I want to show you something really unique. This is Capo Gallo Nature Reserve. It's a beautiful coastline full of coves, full of beautiful rocky spots, and as you can see, the watercolor is amazing. It's an electric natural blue and offers something really special if you want to avoid the crowd of the most popular beaches like Mondello. Normally people visit Mondello Beach, but in particular in August, Mondello is overcrowded. So if you want to follow my advice, you can skip Mondello and visit something maybe better. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow me if you want to discover other hidden places in Sicily. Feel free to contact us if you want to include this beautiful nature reserve, Capo Gallo, in your custom private tour of Sicily. If you are sporty people, this is something you can't miss. And now, as you can see, my Sicily Lovers t-shirt is completely wet. And I have to jump, I can resist. Thanks for watching and see you the next one. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!